I'm gonna replace the PCV valve on a 2012 Chevy Impala with a 3.6 V6 engine, VVT design. Those started in 2012. They used to have the 3.5, which is I prefer better the 3.5. But anyway, this is 3.6 V6. This is the PCV valve, the weirdest looking PCV valve I never ever seen in my life. It doesn't have that little valve inside, the one-way valve, and as you can see it has a very tiny holes here and also a very tiny hole here. It looks like to prevent oil from moving through the valve here into the engine. This is goes into the this side goes into the intake manifold. So it looks like I believe this is a very cheap design. I'm not convinced how they designed this thing. I still like the older one, but maybe they rely also on the valve cover itself. Some of them they have a valve, the PCV valve inside the valve cover itself. So this is just a way to bypass the air without the oil going in, but still oil find its way through this into the intake manifold. So let's change it. This is located right here in the back. As you can see, 1 second, let me just fix the camera. It's right there, right with my finger. But I'll show you more after I remove this cover. So I have to remove this cover right here. Okay, remove the oil filler cap, and then you just pull this up. Something fell down that cover, that little gasket dropped down. Look, it's right there. I'll get it, no big deal. Alright, so just put this one back just in case you don't want to drop anything inside here. And again, let me see where is the light here. Okay, so it is right there. See that hose right here? You gotta follow it all the way down to the valve cover. And we're gonna remove also this hose here. It's in the way. I'll show you how to remove it. Okay, I hope this view is clear as much as possible. We need to remove this vacuum here first. This is just a safety returner clip, and then we have to push this one in, the white piece inside, to get this out. Okay, so this is very much out of the way, and this is the PCV valve right here. It's right here. I'm gonna try to have a better view. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is right here. Let's get to it. So this one here is, let me see if I can showing. As you can see, you have to twist this one this way to get it out. Yeah, so this is out right here. So this one, this clip here, you can see. All right, so that here is the returner right here. You have to move this one this way. Try to get the focus. See this? That's what's holding it on the PCV valve. This hose is replaceable too if it's bad. Okay, so let's pull the valve. This is never removed, so I'm sure it's stuck. Just have to be patient. Okay, it's out. So this one here is the valve. All right. Here's the new one. Yeah. And let's just zoom out so maybe you can see better, I'm not sure. Alright. So this is the new one. So this one goes back here, twist it. I'll put this one. Somehow this clip here, it's very old, cracked already, as you can see. Broke. I'm gonna use zip tie just to tie it so it doesn't come out. Alright, I'm gonna bring a zip tie. As you can see, the white piece here was like, this is a car with 180,000 miles on it. So expect anything to happen when you work on a high mileage vehicle. Alright, so again, this is plastic clip broken. Let me get a zip tie and fix it. I'll be back. Okay, here is a zip tie. Here is a zip tie, let's see. Okay. Zip tie is always handy to have. Okay, as you can see, it's tight. It's not going anywhere. Okay, that's it. Let's cut this piece. Let's remove this one. Okay. So this is secure now. This is back in. PCV valve replaced. Honestly, I wouldn't call it a PCV valve. I'm just this piece looks like to me it's like a fitting or a bypass. It doesn't feel like it's a specific crankcase ventilation part. It's a pass through from the valve cover to the intake manifold. It doesn't have any mechanism inside it. It's a weird looking piece. All right, and I think or I believe the valve cover, it does all the job for being a PCV valve itself, like many cars are these days. So this is very much it, in case you want to change it. This one is a little clogged up. I blew through it. It doesn't, there's carbon buildup inside, it looks like. But I got a new one, so at least this is replaced. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope I was able to just to show you where is that piece located on the back of the engine toward the driver's side. Thank you for watching.